Hello everyone and welcome back. In this session we're going to prepare our print page for print. We've prepared our data now. We've got the columns set up that we want to print and we've got the records that we want to print all set up. But as you can see, if I just go now and select on the sheet somewhere and do a print preview, you can see that the page, it's not like Word where you can print and it's WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get. In Excel, I have to scroll all the way down here to see where the data is. That's a lot of pages printed with nothing on them so far. Then we start seeing our data for some reason. And as we go down, then we just get this. I don't know what these columns refer to. And if I pop up a little bit more, I can see that the columns only go out to product name. So I've got a fair bit of work to do now to prepare this sheet for print. But as I say, having done that, once it's done, you can pretty much walk away. From then on, it's perfectly fine. In order to do that, we use the page layout tab on the ribbon. And therefore, we just go across the page setup group here and fix up the sheet and see where we get to. So we'll assume the margins are okay for the moment. We'll make sure that we're in portrait mode, which is fine. The paper size is currently set for US letter. We actually want A4. The print area is the next thing. So in order to create a print area, we'll just highlight the columns we want by running across the headers here from D to K. This is the only area I want printed on this worksheet. I don't want this data here printed either. That's that done. So it's a print area and set print area. The next thing then is we want to see our page breaks. In order to set the page breaks, we have to go to a different view in Excel. So down here we can see there are three different views. We're normally in this view here, which is called normal view. Then there's a page layout view, which is for headings and footings, which we'll see in a different clip. And then we got page break preview. So this is the view we want. So you can access it directly from here, or you can go to view and page break preview here. So let's go to that and see what it looks like. So here we can see these dotted lines. And these dotted lines tell you what columns are going to print on a particular page. So you can see that the columns will go out as far as net amount. We want the columns to go out to total. So we just grab that and pull it out. We can set the page length as well. You can see there's a dotted line here. So if you want to, we could say, well, let's just put McCarthy all on one page. So that's the way we want it to print, so they're not split over two pages. Page 2, we could do the same, and we could say we want more to be on one page. So you just drag these in order to get the printout you want. Once we're happy with that, then we can go back to normal view. And now if we take a peek, we'll see that the print is much cleaner. So now you can see that we're getting all the columns out to total. We're seeing this on the front page, not page 37 as it was before. And we can see how many pages there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, exactly, about 5 pages of print there. Still not exactly what we want, because on page 2 we want to get some headers and footers done, but we're halfway there. That is the end of this clip. So have a go with that, and I'll see you in the next session. So all the best and bye for now.